Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are in Clarendon Park today and we're giving you a tour of what's going on. Now look at this gas station, not one customer. What's going on is the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 has opened. It's a toll road, but you don't have to pay toll to use the road from Maypen to Mandeville. It's free. So as a result, areas like Clarendon Park and Porus have become ghost towns because all the traffic that would pass through are now using the highway. This is Juicy Beef over here. This used to be such a busy location. Now, they have about 7 gas stations between Porus and Maypen, and all 7 have reported a slowdown in business. None have closed because let's turn around. This is Juicy Beef. Used to be such a busy location, this one in Clarendon Park. Everybody's waiting until January when they start to charge toll on the road to see what's going on. Because right now the road is free, so naturally everybody's going to use it. But when they come up with the toll rate for January, everybody's going to wait to see if any traffic returns to this road. As you can see, Juicy is not a ghost town, but definitely not the level of traffic that is usually there. So no, this is the main road. This was the main road you would take when you're heading on the south coast of Jamaica. But as we said, the highway now has the traffic. So Juicy was one of the very popular locations in Clarendon Park. So we're going to go down to Murray's now and see what's going on down there. Now, there is an exit between Maypen and Mandeville, and it's at Tollgate. But clearly people are not exiting at Tollgate and using this road. Right, let's stop here just to see what the traffic is like. This is the main road. This used to be such a busy road. And look at it now. So if you were going from Kingston to Mandeville, St. Elizabeth, this is the road you would take before the highway opened. Now, Porus has also seen a decline in traffic. But Porus is very close to the Melrose Hill bypass, which that road was actually improved. So to get from Williamsfield to Porus is actually easier. But the traffic that would normally go through Porus from Kingston is now on the highway. So Porus isn't as bad as this. You can check out the video that we did on Porus, and you'll see definitely a slowdown in the amount of traffic that goes through the town, but Clarendon Park seems to have gotten it worse because Clarendon Park is more in the middle. Now, everybody said, oh, Clarendon Park doesn't need an exit, or a lot of subscribers commented, Clarendon Park doesn't need an exit because there's one at Tollgate, which is 5 minutes away. But look at the road. When they extend this highway to St. Elizabeth, from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, I really hope they put in more exits. Because between Maypen and Mandeville, you have the Maypen interchange, and then you have the Tollgate interchange, and then that's it. There are no more exits. I think Clarendon Park should have gotten an exit, and Porus should have gotten an exit. But hopefully in the future, they will put in some more exits. But as they build the next section from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, or from Manchester to St. Elizabeth, I hope they put in more exits. And actually, if memory serves me correct, I don't think they have, the highway is not going close to Santa Cruz. It's literally going by Junction, Treasure Beach, Southfield, that side. So when that highway opens, we can only wonder what's going to happen to Santa Cruz. It's going closer to Black River. So I really hope they look at what's happening here and see what they can do to build an exit. Well, I don't know if you could build an exit to Santa Cruz based on where the highway is going, but we're definitely seeing more traffic now, but nothing compared to what was on the road before. And we did a video of Juicy Beef, and that is where you can see the significant slowdown in the area. So check out that video. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about what's happening in Clarendon Park. Alright guys, have a good day.